Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's jumping in my pot. New Orleans Warm Beignets. Let's get to the ingredients. Evaporated milk, yeast, sugar, salt, butter, vanilla extract, flour, powdered sugar, eggs, and oil for frying. We take a bowl here and we add some warm water. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Add the yeast to the water, the granulated sugar, and we mix this up together. We set this to the side, and the next thing we do we get a bowl, we add the eggs, we take a hand mixer and we beat the eggs up to a smooth texture. Now we add in the evaporated milk. We beat that until it becomes nice and smooth. Then we add in the vanilla extract. Okay, that's nice and smooth. Now we add the flour. And the butter. And the yeast mixture. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So we have mixed it, and it's supposed to be sticky just like this. So the next step is we cover it up and we put it in the refrigerator to let it rise for about 2 hours. It's been 2 hours since the dough was in the refrigerator. Yes, it's ready to move on to the next part. First, we have a cast iron pot here. It has to be a heavy pot. This is what we're going to use to fry the dough in. we got to fill it up with oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use canola oil, peanut oil, or vegetable oil, whichever one you choose out of those three. We're going to let the oil heat up. And I have a sheet pan here lined with paper towel. That's to drain the beignet on. So we're going to put a little flour on the cutting board. We're going to take the dough and we're going to roll it out about 2-inch thick. I've rolled it out enough. And now we're going to cut it into squares. I'm using a serrated knife. Okay, it's cut into the square. And now it's going to jump in the pot. We don't want to fill the pot up too much. This should be enough. So we're going to cook them till they puff up and float to the top. Let's see how the beignet is frying up. Coming along good. Yes. Look at the beignet jumping in the pot. Look at the hot oil jumping all over the beignet. Now we'll let them cook another 2 minutes on each side. Yes, I think they're ready to come out. I'm using a slotted spoon so that the oil can drain off them. And we're putting them on this sheet pan with towel paper to drain off or the rest of the oil. Now we'll add some more to the pan. Jumping the pot. There. Now it's time to let the powdered sugar sprinkle over the beignet. Here you have it, New Orleans Warm Beignets. You can serve this with tea, coffee, and you can also have it for breakfast, brunch, or a dessert. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.